given. So they are saying that there is a disk whose mass is 0.45 kg and radius is 0.5 meter. So from the center of mass at 0.25 meter distance, two massless guns, toy guns has been kept. So now the both guns has been fired, imagine like fired, and they are traveling on a platform actually. So when the time of leaving the platform, they are asking what is the angular velocity of the disk. That is what they are asking. Platform. Find the angular velocity of the platform when the balls, sorry, when the like bullet or balls leave the disk. That is what is they're asking. And mass of the balls, sorry, mass of the balls is how much? Everybody? Mass of the balls is how much? 0.05 kg. So this is also 0.05 kg. That is what is the question. So let's start now, everyone. So let us take conservation of momentum again, same. So initial momentum is equals to final momentum. If initial momentum is equals to 0, then if external net torque is equals to 0 means, then what will happen? Final momentum is also, what will happen, guys? Please respond. 0. Clear? Understand, Rudreswa?
Sir.
Yes. So now the disk is moving with this. This is what is the angular velocity of the disk. So angular velocity, what is the direction of disk now? Already I said you. So disk down clockwise direction. It is downwards or upwards? Direction of angular velocity. It is in downward. Okay. So that is what it is. So now what is the final angular acceleration? Sorry, angular momentum. So LF is equals to momentum of balls plus momentum of disk. Both it is because both are moving. So after it is. So momentum of balls. Balls are small particles. So what is the formula? Momentum of ball is equals to, you all should speak, R cross P. Understanding everybody? Then momentum of balls R cross M into V, which is equals to momentum of balls is equals to M into R cross V. That is only we used to call it as what? Speak loudly. MR perpendicular. MR perpendicular. Am I right or wrong? Please respond. Now, all of you observe very carefully. MR perpendicular. So perpendicular, how much they are distance? So which is at, they are perpendicular. So MR perpendicular means how much distance? 90 degrees angle. So what is the distance from the center of mass? From the center of mass, how much it is? Speak loudly, guys. How much distance from the center of mass? 0.25. So let it be. So mass of the balls is, sorry, momentum of balls equals to MVR perpendicular. Now one ball or two balls, brothers? One ball or two balls? Yes, please. Two. So that multiply with 2. Then momentum of disk. Momentum of disk plus or minus? Minus it is. So minus of, it is entire disk. So entire disk means, what is the momentum of I? Let me write it. I R square. Sorry, what is the formula? Yeah. I into omega. So what is the I value? Anybody can tell? We all people knows. Entire system. Yeah, mr square by 2. So I will write it mr square by 2 into omega. Any problem for anybody? Please speak. Are you clear, guys? All of you? So it is a downward direction. So which will become 2 into m into v r perpendicular minus mr square by 2 into omega. That's all, guys. So now you all can substitute it. 2 into, what is the mass of the ball? Mass of the ball 0.05.
0.05.
Velocity when they are leaving the disk. What is the velocity they said? When they are leaving the disk, what is the velocity? See that when they are leaving the disk, everybody, this is R, this is R, and this is V. What is the velocity, guys? R cross V, upward or downward? Verify it. This is R cross V, upward or downwards? That is what? What is that? Yeah, balls. They're leaving R cross V. So tell me, what is that? Upward or downward?
Upward, sir.
Yeah, this every case is upward. That is why disk will become what? This is also upward, R cross V. So disk will become what? Downwards or upwards? This will become downwards. Clear, everyone? Mr. Narayan, understanding? That is what. So when they are leaving, so which is equals to, what is the perpendicular distance from the center of mass? From the center of mass, what is the perpendicular distance? 0.25 meters. And what is the velocity when they're leaving the disk? What is the velocity they mentioned in the question? Speak loudly. 9 meter per second. You can see that. What velocities they are leaving? 9 meter per second each. Are you clear? Understand, Amma? Everybody? So 9 into, what is our perpendicular value, Pradosh? 0.25. Okay. Minus mr square divided by 2 into omega. So it will come this side. So mr square by 2 into omega is equals to 2 into 0.05 into 9 into 0.25. So whatever the way you want, you can multiply and do it. M value, capital M, mass of the system, how much? Mass of the disk. Mass of the disk, 0.45. Correct? Plus R value, what is the radius? 0.5 whole square divided by 2 into omega. So here also 2 into, I can make it. So what will happen, everyone? 2 into 2 times, correct it is. So 2 times it is making. So what will happen, everyone? So 2 into 0.05 into 9 into 0.25. So make sure everything is finished. All of you do it fast. So I will do it. So you can do the calculations. Now see, all of you. Here 0.5 whole square means you can see, I will write 0.45 into 0.5 into 0.5. Okay, va? Rudreswa? Into omega divided by 2, which is equals to 3 into 0.05 into 9 into 0.25. Any problem for anybody? You can ask me. Now 0.5 into 0.5, 0.25. Am I right? Speak, Ra. 0.5,
Yes, sir.
0.25. So can I get cancel out this 0.5, 0.5 and 0.25? Any problem for anybody? Yes, please. You all should speak. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next. 0.05.
0.45.
Yeah, 0.05 into 9. Can anybody tell me? Which is equals to what? 0.05.
0.45.
Yes, please. 0.45. 0.45. So then can I get cancel this and this everything? Any problem? Understanding smartness. Understand for those, Narayan? See, people will waste time in multiplication and division. Understand, Rudreswar? How smart we calculated?
Yes, sir.
Always in JEE, like this only they will ask you. Okay? So you no need to make calculation like a school level. Clear? Understand, Laksha? So that's all it is. See, even basically, if you are in a school level, what you will do? This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Am I right or wrong? Everybody? Yes? Please respond. That is what we'll do it. So 2 2s are 4. So 4 radians per second. What is the disk angular velocity? Everybody? 4 radians per second. That's all it is. So once again, go through that. So nothing is there. So once the bullet is, that is balls is fired, both balls is traveling with a 9 meter per second velocity when the time of leaving the disk. They are from the center of mass, perpendicular distance. How much is the perpendicular distance? Everybody? What is the perpendicular distance, guys? 0.25 meters. Okay, clear, everybody? Understand, Radreswa? Pradosh? So that's how you have to make it.
Yes, sir.
2 balls are there. So that is why I'm multiplying with the 2. Anybody having doubt, you can ask me. So 2 balls it is. If you solve it, you will get it. See, this multiplication and division, how smart you have to do, you are doing is very, very important. You cannot do normal ways. Okay. So just you have to be fastly, because time is a major parameter in competitive exams. How smart way you cancel is very important. So anyhow, after practicing long, you all people will understand it. 0.0.25, 0.5, 0.5, which equals to 0.25, cancel out. 9 into 5, 45, means 2 decimal before you have to put it, 0.45 over. It is then 0.45 will get cancel. Always in JEE like this only they'll ask you. They'll be perfectly making. But if you observe that, you are very smart. If not, you are time wasting with the multiplication. So it is very, very tough. So this is how we have to solve it. I hope you all understanding. So with this, we'll stop. It's already 10:36. So I hope, are you clear, everyone? Brothers, are you understanding? So if you are able to solve JEE advanced sums, 100% NEET, you never face any difficulty in physics. I'm sure about it. Okay. So for NEET level, it is very simple if you are trying for advanced level. And today I have sent you one reference book. I hope you all gone through that. Am I right, everybody? So that is the one of the best book, Pearson's books. So it is a very, very nice book. You just go through that whenever time permits, and try to take the examples from that and you solve it. Around 4,000 pages is there. Entire 11 and 12 physics it is. So one of the best book I have seen for self-learning. Okay. So I hope you all will use it. With this, I'll stop and we'll continue from here. Mr. Narayan, anything doubt, Narayan? Are you clear? Yes, everybody. Mr. Rishi, Sai Karthik. Okay, so we'll meet in tomorrow's class with this. For those morning, wake up and practice from this concept in any 1 hour NEET sums or JEE sums, we practice 5 to 6. Okay, everybody. Clear? Okay, Rudreswar. Good night. We'll meet in tomorrow's class.